Welcome back. In the last lesson, we talked about what generative AI is and how large language models work. Now we are going to dig into prompt engineering, the skill that helps you guide an AI system and get clearer, more reliable answers. Here's what we will cover in this lesson. We will start with a simple definition of prompt engineering, basically the skill of giving instructions that an AI can understand and follow. Then we will look at why unclear prompts produce weak results. After that, we will walk through the mindsets you need when working with AI. And to bring it all together, we will study an example where a vague prompt is improved step by step until it becomes a strong, optimized one. Let's start with a simple idea. A prompt isn't just a question you type into an AI system. It is the instruction set that shapes the entire response. If the prompt is vague, the model fills in the gaps on its own, and you usually won't like the result. That's why the poor prompts lead to poor outputs. But when the prompt is clear and specific, the model has a direction to follow. You get answers that are more consistent, more accurate, and much closer to what you are actually looking for. So prompt engineering is really about being intentional. Instead of hoping the AI understands you, you learn to guide it step by step. This shift from casual prompting to structured prompting is what separates amateur results from professional ones. When you talk about prompt engineering, we are really talking about control. A good prompt helps you direct the model instead of letting it guess what you want. When your instructions are specific, the AI has a clear path to follow. Another benefit is that good prompts reduce randomness. Models can generate a wide range of possible answers, but a well-structured prompt narrows that range and keeps the response closer to what you need. This also helps increase accuracy. The more guidance you provide, the less the model has to assume and the more precise the output becomes. And finally, strong prompts let you produce repeatable, reliable results. This is crucial when you are creating lessons, writing content, or building workflows. You want responses that stay consistent each time you run the same prompt. So, the purpose of prompt engineering is simple. Guide the model so it can give you the best possible outcome. Let's look at an example of a weak prompt. Suppose you just type, tell me about climate change. What's the problem here? First, it is too broad. The model doesn't know if you want causes, effects, solutions, or something else. Second, there is no audience specified. Should it be for children, students, or experts? Third, there is no format. You want a paragraph, a list, or a step-by-step explanation. And finally, there is no depth or detail. The model doesn't know how deep to go. Because of these issues, the output is likely to be generic, unfocused, and not very useful. Now let's look at a strong, well-crafted prompt. For example, explain the major causes and economic impacts of climate change in 500 words, written for a high school student. What makes this prompt strong? First, it has a clear task. The model knows exactly what to explain. Second, it defines the audience. In this case, a high school student. Third, it specifies the length, 500 words. And finally, it sets the tone and style, making the output appropriate and readable. With these instructions, the model can generate focused, detailed, and relevant content every time. Now that we have seen examples of weak and strong prompts, let's talk about the mindset behind prompt engineering. Being a prompt engineer isn't about getting perfect answers on the first try. It's about iteration, experimentation, and refinement. Always specify exactly what you want. The more precise your instructions, the better the output. Try different phrasing, assign roles, or change the format to see how the model responds. Refine your prompts based on the outputs you get. Learn from what works and what doesn't. Think of it as a cycle. Test, observe, improve, and repeat. This iterative approach is what makes prompt engineering effective. Building on the mindset of prompt engineering, let's look at the prompt loop, a simple cycle that guides how you work with AI. The loop has 4 steps. Prompts start with your initial instructions. Outputs let the AI generate a response. Analyze, review the output. Did it meet your expectations? And refine. Adjust the prompt to improve clarity, focus, or format. Then you repeat the loop until you are satisfied with the result. This iterative process ensures that you consistently get high quality, reliable outputs from the model. Let's see a practical example of how prompt clarity affects AI outputs, this time with Python code. First, a value prompt. Create a function. With this instruction, the AI doesn't know what to do. The output is generic and unfocused. It is unclear what the function should accomplish. Next, a good prompt. Create a function that sends a list of numbers. Here, we give the model more context, sum a list of numbers. The result is clear, concise, and works for the intended task. Finally, an optimized prompt. Create a robust, tested function that sums a list of numbers with comments. This prompt adds instructions for structure, readability, and robustness. The AI now produces professional, well-commented code that is easy to understand and ready to use. Prompt engineering isn't just a nice-to-have skill. It makes a real difference. It saves time. Clear prompts mean fewer revisions and faster results. And it eliminates guesswork. You are telling the AI exactly what you want instead of hoping it guesses right. It also helps you produce professional quality output. Well-crafted prompts lead to structured, polished, and usable results. So, prompt engineering is essential for AI workflows and automation. From generating content to building tools, prompt engineering ensures your work is efficient, consistent, and reliable. To wrap up this lesson, let's review the main points. Clarity drives quality. The clearer your prompt, the better the AI's output. Prompts can be improved like code. Small refinements can make a big difference in the results. Iteration is part of the craft. Don't expect perfect answers on the first try. Experiment, analyze, and refine. Prompt engineering is both a mindset and a skill. By being deliberate, structured, and iterative, you can guide AI to produce accurate, useful, and reliable outputs. In the next lesson, we will break down the anatomy of an effective prompt and show you exactly how to construct one from scratch.